This video is only for information and education purpose. Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Air France ticket. So you can cancel your Air France ticket by using two methods. The first one is online method, like you need to log in into your account and you need to go to on your booking section and then you can cancel your booking. Okay, so this is a little bit tricky, you can say, for some person who is not very tricky. So this is a very little bit tricky, you can say, method. So the best way to cancel your, you can say, ticket, that is via calling method. You need to call on this number, the number you can see on your screen. So this is the number, you need to dial this number, and once you get connected you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your flight and booking, and they will cancel your flight and booking. They will ask you some questions related to like bookings and all. So by using, you can say, this method, you can easily cancel your ticket. Okay, so this is the best and the easiest method to cancel your booking. Okay, so now come to the second point. The second point is how you can, if you are not able to contact, then you can also contact with the customer support team by using these number you can also see on your screen. So these are all numbers, and this is the way. So hopefully this will help you. If this video will helpful, please hit a like button and please make a comment. Your comment will helpful for lots of people. And thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.